Hello, how are you? And what's your name? Kai. David Rose.
Hello.
Pleased to meet you.
Now we are on the boat. One boat can be 3 people or 2 people.
Yeah.
You can decide, I think.
And we are on our way to Tam Coc Cave. I think that's what it's called anyway. And actually this is the area where we're staying tonight. So it'd be nice to see it from the water. It's a well-oiled machine, this. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of life jackets, and in each life jacket is a tourist.
Yeah.
There they go. Oh, they're in the fast one. Have you got the express boat, have you? Look, she's doing it with her feet.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Most
Very
people it do with the feet around here.
Wow, this is very relaxing, isn't it? Have you seen them doing it with their feet? Crazy. It's like a human frog. I mean, it's very touristy, but it's very beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, this is so nice. Beautiful. Tam Coc, the name.
Tam Coc.
Tam Coc. Sorry? Tam Coc. Tam Coc. How long we go with the boat? How long? How long?
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer and come back.
1 kilo, 1 kilo.
You understand?
Ish.
What it mean?
Ish
How
means
long?
not really. Just enjoy it, babe. I know we have to go into a cave and it's going to get dark.
Yeah.
And then when it gets light again, then you know we're coming out of the cave.
Okay.
That's it. A bit like Venice, this, isn't it? This is like Venice in Italy, Rose.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, apart from the mountains, the jungle, apart from that, it's identical.
You can see this house is very nice because next to the river.
Yeah, he's got a boat as well, hasn't he? Look at that.
And there is next to the mountain. When you sit here, you very dry your mouth. You can buy drink. This lady, she take photo. When you come here, you have nice picture. If you happy, you can buy. If you don't happy, you can say no.
Alright, you ready? She's going to take one more of you now.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you later. Yeah, rice. They're growing rice in the river that we are paddling down. It's interesting. Can't be very deep over that side then. These people are all coming back from the cave, looking thoroughly unimpressed, some of them actually. Oh, she looks happy. Fair enough. I'm paddling down the river. I say I'm paddling now. I'm floating in a boat down the river in Vietnam, and our captain, paddler, oarsman, whatever you want, coxsman, don't know, whatever you want to call him, is using his feet, not his arms. And it's not just him, everyone's at it. Look, this is obviously a very non-touristy event. Look at these beautiful girls. Hello, hello, hello. We are headed towards Tam Coc Cave. Oh, hang on, Mr. Mrs. What's happening?
Temple,
temple up there.
There.
Oh yeah, the dragon temple on top of the... Well, you probably can't see the dragon's back, but it's sort of there-ish. I mean, honestly, why use your arms when you can just use your legs?
Because the leg is more strong when you drive with the leg. It's not tired.
I agree.
The arm, your telephone can talk and the leg can work.
Yeah. Is that rice?
Rice field.
There's the cave we're going into now.
Oh wow, have the light inside there.
Well, luckily they have electric lighting in the cave, Rose.
Yeah.
So that's quite fortunate. Let me just switch my camera over to low light mode.
Oh wow. You can see the water go down in the stone. Oh. In the cave is probably 3 minutes. And after that, go out again. Interesting.
It's nice though, isn't it?
Yeah, good to do this.
And here we are, exiting the cave now. This scenery is magical. It really is. Look at that.
Oh wow.
This is where King Kong was, right? So King Kong was filmed here, Rose. Over here, yes? Okay, this is where King Kong is. He's referring to the, I think, 2006 King Kong movie, which I must admit I haven't seen. So there you go. We'll do a Google afterwards and see whether we can match up this scenery with the King Kong movie.
Hello. How deep the water? How deep the water? Here? Here?
1 meter, 2 meter?
Here? 2.
2 meters. You've been doing really well learning English and practicing your English, and now you've come to Vietnam and nobody speaks it.
1 meter.
Yeah. 1 meter down, yeah? How many boats every day? One day, how many boats?
3 days. One by boat.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 days.
3, no.
One by boat.
But in one day, like today, how many tourists, how many people come on the boat?
6K,
How many tickets, yeah?
200.
200.
Okay, 6K more.
For you?
Okay.
You,
200.
200 for you?
6K.
Okay, okay. They've all got different techniques, haven't they?
Yeah.
Once again, I find myself being used as human ballast. Captain has just asked me to shuffle a bit to the left to try and counter steer the boat because it was heading a bit too far towards the right in the rice field. So I've shuffled a bit left, and lo and behold, the boat is now on course again. I need to get to the gym. Look at the vines hanging off these trees.
Beautiful.
I wouldn't be surprised if the Tarzan movie was filmed here as well. This is a new cave, I should say.
Let I show you people burn something. On the mountain.
Let me show you.
Let me show you the back there. It's
Very good.
amazing.
Oh, this is cave number 3, actually.
Yeah.
Now some people are getting out here. Maybe they only bought a one-way ticket.
Take care your hair.
Oh, my head.
Take care my head. Oh wow, look at that.
See how the view opens up. So I bet the people that run the coffee shop here aren't pleased. Everyone just comes, turns around and goes back. Waterfront bungalows here.
Yes, it's nice restaurant.
And this, yeah, it's got a nice restaurant actually on the water called Tam Coc Bungalow.
You can see people pass.
Yeah, nice little development there. It's great. They put the advertising boards out showing what kind of rooms you can rent. Got a swimming pool. Hello.
Hello.
Look nice,
Yeah,
bamboo
bungalows on the
bungalow.
water, yeah.
What you feel, Dave?
Very nice, yeah, very relaxing boat trip. One thing I would say is just remember to bring smaller change with you because they do expect a tip here, and I think it's basically 100,000 dong per boat, and I managed to only have 72,000, which I feel a bit bad about. The driver said, look, give anywhere between 50 and 100, but I think the expectation's 100. And I don't have any small notes, so I just had to cobble together what I had. Because when you do these organised tours, there's not that much opportunity to stop and get change.
Yeah.
So that's something I've learned. It's same in Thailand, just when you get big notes, you've got to break them up into small notes as quickly as you can. Otherwise, it's a bit embarrassing when you're with people and they want a tip, which they do deserve, you know.
And when we come here, we have a very nice story for remember about Vietnam. It's good.
Yeah.
I like it. 10 out of 10. And you?
A 10 out of 10 experience for you. Very relaxing, I have to say.
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoy with my video, and I know have many people watching my channel but don't subscribe yet. Please support me, like, subscribe and follow my channel. Make my YouTube is go. I can work hard for you editing video and film somewhere is amazing for you again. And today I have to say bye bye. Next video I want to take you go on the mountain in Ninh Binh. When you visit Vietnam, I think you must to visit this area. Right now I have to say goodbye. See you next time.